guys, so we're gonna jump right in this video. We just had a customer drop off a 2011 Escalade for a door handle, which is really common on these things to break. So I'm gonna show you guys how to do it really quick. We gotta get this one done super fast because we got the diesel van we gotta work on today. Here is the car. So these are known for braking. I think it's locked. Yeah. So pretty much what you're gonna have to do is you're gonna take this off. There's a bolt behind here. This will eventually have to come off, but not quite yet. And then I think there's another 10mm right here as well. And then the whole door just pops off. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this door panel off. Alright, so we got the door panel off. To get this cord off right here, you gotta use a little pocket screwdriver and push these tabs in, and this little ball pops out. The door, once you get the 3 bolts out, it's 2 in the handle, 1 up here, and then this panel. Then you just pull the whole door off. And then I just disconnected all this stuff. I don't know if you can see it or not, but there's a bolt in this hole, and then there is a bolt in this hole, which you got to pop the little black plugs out right here, and then we're just gonna unscrew it and then pull it out and then detach the latch. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that now, and then go ahead and wrap this thing up. Super easy job. So this car is done. The running boards work. This works up and down. And then we got the new door handle on. If you ever messed around with a Chevy before, these inserts right here end up backing out after time and cause the door handle to fall off. Super easy and cheap fix. So it's all done. We're moving on to the van today. That's gonna be a project. So yep, I'm gonna move this and go get the van. And this Mercedes, to give you all an update on the Mercedes here. Still waiting on parts for this truck, and you know, this Mercedes has been a nightmare to say the least. So what's going on right now is we had it together yesterday. It ran great, but then it had a misfire on number 5. Ran out. Got a new coil pack for it, still didn't solve it. So I'm thinking when we pulled the valve cover off, you got to pull the injectors out of the car. And I'm thinking that, here they are right here, I'll show you guys. I think number 5, it's not sealing on the O-ring. So we got some new O-rings coming for that. The other guy was working on that car, or on this car. So hopefully this will be out of here today. The customer is supposed to come here at 5:30 to pick it up. So hopefully that one will be done, but I'm not exactly sure on that. So, on to the truck for us. E350, whatever, this DPF right here. You can see this, the turbo flange broke clean off of it. I didn't videotape taking this out because it was easy to come out, but the kicker is every single sensor stripped. So we literally had to do surgery on this thing, and you can see we had to cut a hole in it for one of the sensors. Then every thread stripped out of all the sensors. This project did not go as planned yesterday. And yes, we did use an induction gun, a torch, you know, PV blaster, the whole 9 yards, trying to get all the sensors out of here without messing them up. But you know, it happens. But anyways, we got it all apart, got it all in, and the truck left yesterday. So that one is done. Kind of sorry I didn't videotape it, but it is what it is.